Welcome to Intramuros. Ayan, nandito na naman po tayo sa Intramuros at pupuntahan po natin. Once a year lang po siya nabubuksan at yun po ang taas ng katedral. Ayan, nakikita niyo po yung pineapple na yan. That means daw, pagka pumunta ko sa isang bahay that there is, you find a design of a pineapple. That means there is hospitality in that place. Ganyan. So, ibig sabihin, hospitality po dito sa katedral ng Maynila. Ayan pala, now I know. Ayan pala yung apat. The four of them are they are called the four evangelists. Akit na po tayo dun sa taas. How, saan ito? Oh, once a year lang po ito bukas, guys. Ayun o. O, paikot yan, paikot. May mga tao na raw dito na mag-guide sa atin. Ayan, grabe. First time ko. I waited for almost a year dahil nagpaalam po ako last year. Sabi raw po, tapos na. Opo, so I had to wait for, ay grabe, paikot talaga. Paikot po talaga. My goodness. Ayan. Okay. Okay. Roof deck. Pero ito sa may gilid lang yata. Hello po. Ay po. Hindi pwedeng pumasok. Dito po sa roof deck. Ang layo. Ayan na. Medyo naligaw tayo doon. Pero dito pala sa kabila. Naku, nakakahingal. Nahingal. Okay, ayan pa. Ayan pa ang ating aakyatin. Wow! Ayan na guys, yung stained glass window. Hindi po kita yung kulay dito. Dahil maliwanag. Nasa loob po talaga. Ayan o. At saka to.
Thank you po.
Ayan. Isa-isa. Hindi ko naman makuha na may fish doon, may ostia. Eucharistic symbols. Ayan pala. Okay na. Thank you. Ayan po. Ayan po Palacio del Gobernador. Okay. Ang Plaza Roma sa harap. Ano nga po ang pangalan niyang building na yan, kuya? Aduana po o ano? Bureau of Treasury. Ayan na po. Ayan po ba yung aduana? Ayun po, ano yun? Apartment lang. Yun naman ang fire dito. Opo, Commission on Elections. Ay, alam din na pala nila. Oy, the belfry. And the clock. Diba? Ayan, ang ganda. Anong oras na po yan? Oo, yung Carillon Bells. Uy, magkape na tayo. Ayan, pauwi na tayo. Pababa pala, pababa. This is exit doon po sa kabila. One way lang kasi. Opo, hindi pinapayagan yung one way lang. One way entrance. And then, yung opposite side naman po ang exit. Papunta sa roof deck. Ito po yung roof deck dito. Okay. So, mababa tayo. Once a year lang po ito binubuksan, guys. Kaya, sa Simply Jane, I have to wait for almost a year. Kasi pumunta po ako lampas na ng Independence Day. Kaya, hindi na po ako pinayagan. Once a year lang po talaga siya binubuksan. Independence Day lang. So, hinay-hinay po tayo sa pagbaba. Ayan po. Wow. Wow, paikot. Talagang paikot. Doon sa Kawit Cavite at saka sa Banaswain Church. Dito lang po ang kakayanan natin. Kaya pasalamat na rin po tayo. It's birthday month celebration. Cathedral. See? Ay, thank you, Lord. Ay guys, ngayon ko lang po nalaman na bronze doors po pala ito. Founded in Rome and installed here in 1958. Grabe, no? So, ayan. So, these doors daw, ang sabi po dito, are a testament to the colorful faith story of this church. Ayan po, bronze doors pala yan. Bronze, hindi pala yan. Bronze pala, oh, Jesus, oh. Bronze pala yan. Mama Mary. Ayan, oh. Oh, nice. At saka ito, the side doors, giving homage to Our Lady of the Immaculate Conception. Sabi po dito, the patroness of the cathedral since establishment of the first church. So here in 1571, Nani and Monteleon decorated the side bronze doors with artistic representations of the different titles attributed to the Virgin Mary. May these doors be a lasting sign of the Filipino people's devotion to Mama Mary as Pueblo Amante de Maria. So divided into 8 panels. The left side of the main door depicts in bronze relief Mary as spiritual vessel, seat of wisdom, house of gold, seat of wisdom, Tower of David, lily of the valley, morning star, ark of salvation, Tower of Ivory. The other door, found on the right side of the main door, portrays Mary in cast bronze as the mystical rose, mirror of justice, Ark of the Covenant, enclosed garden, olive tree in a field, sealed fountain, gate of heaven, and fruitful vine. The artists, Italian sculptors, Alessandro Monteleon and Francesco Nani, worked on the designs of the cathedral bronze doors. Their works are featured in St. Peter's Basilica and in different churches in Italy. Ayan. Ayan po. So let's go and see the right door first. And then we'll go to the left door. Perpetual Memory of John Paul II. Ah, ito pala. Yung doors. Ay, kaso nakita. Hindi kita po. Yung nakalagay po doon, ang pag nakasarado po siya, no, yung mga ayun po. Saan po banda? Ay, hindi po. Rosa Mystica? Ay, wow. Saan po doon sa taas? Now, let's go to the Belfry Cafe. Ito yung Belfry Cafe. Oh, diba? Yan ang Belfry Cafe. Yan, pasok na po tayo. And let's celebrate the birthday of the Philippines. Philippine Independence. As I said, birthday month nga po. So, ayan. Oh, it's not only the birthday of the church, it's also the birthday of our country because it's Independence Day, and let us celebrate Simply Jane's birthday and Dr. Jose Rizal's birthday. Daming birthday. Ang dami pong birthday. Kaya ang dami ding cakes, no? Ano gusto niyo pong cake? Biscoff? Oreo? Ay, magugutom tayo mamaya. Magugutom tayo mamaya. Blueberry cake, cheesecake, or just a cup muffin. Muffin na lang. Banana walnut. O, sige. O, isang banana walnut po. Uy, long life. Okay. Tsaka isang coffee. Tingnan niyo po ang mga bells. There are 7 bells na nandito po. So they were taken down from the belfry because they are so heavy. So, masyadong heavy na po siya. I got a vlog of this. So you can just refer to that vlog. Let's eat na.